You've got to hand it to the master. What looks like an ordinary spin shot is something the average player might spend a lifetime chasing and still never execute with this level of control. Let's break down these incredible position shots and see exactly how he does it. On the transition from the black ball to the yellow, he applies an extremely heavy left English with a very light low hit. Watch the cue ball's tangent line closely. It's just a hair wider than 90 degrees. Under normal conditions, after contacting the rail, the cue ball should head straight up the table. Instead, the heavy left English grabs the rail, sending the cue ball on a beautiful three-rail path that lands perfectly on the ideal position for the yellow. Next comes another heavy dose of left English. This time, it's a pure center ball hit with powerful left English, and the cue ball still comes off on a textbook 90-degree tangent line. After contacting the rail, the cue ball actually picks up speed and rolls perfectly into position on the green. That kind of position play is simply incredible. But the best is still coming. Now he shows another masterclass in cue ball control. With a soft low hit, he places the cue ball precisely behind the brown ball. On these shots, you can even notice a slight shoulder drop through the stroke, followed by another perfectly delivered left English. His use of side spin is simply world class. The stroke is smooth, the power transfers cleanly, and his cue ball control is unbelievably precise. Now the blue ball leaves him with a reverse angle position, but that's exactly the kind of layout where he loves to put on a show. Once again, he plays a mid-low hit with heavy left English. Just look at how much spin is on that cue ball. Normally, after contacting the rail, the rebound path would follow this line. Instead, the cue ball accelerates off the rail and once again rolls into a position so perfect that the entire crowd breaks into applause. And finally, here's one more highlight. Can you tell what kind of spin he used on this mid-low hit? The result was so unbelievable that the entire audience jumped to their feet in amazement. Tell me honestly, aren't you impressed?